Hello guys, it's Ashley again, and I'd just like to welcome you all on our video series again here. And today we're still on technical analysis, so like we'll be doing a couple of technical analysis video. So if you guys haven't watched our previous videos, do check on our channel so that you can catch up with all the videos on technical analysis. So yeah guys, on today's video we'll be focused on the rising wedge. So yeah, everything, like, as you know, the ebook is free. If you need the ebook and learn how to trade, all the information on how to trade the forex market, it's available in the ebook. So if you guys need the ebook, the information will be available at the end of the video or down by the description of this video if you're watching on YouTube. So yeah guys, as we head into the rising wedge, where is the rising wedge? Oh yeah, got it now. Let me increase so that you guys can be able to see and read. Yeah, so here, rising wedge are a unique chart pattern that consists of two rising or upward sloping trend lines, but with the lower trend line more steeper, resulting in an intersection of the two trend lines. Rising wedges are mainly reversal chart patterns, which offers a greater selling opportunities for traders after the confirmation breakout on the lower trend line. How to trade the rising wedge? Your stop losses slightly above the support trend line and take profit. Distance between the high of the upper ascending trend line and the low of the lower ascending trend line. And okay, so here is also an example of a rising wedge. So as you can see, the market started off with a downtrend and then started moving up. From here it reversed and started selling off. So yeah, here the red lines are the confirmation of our rising wedge here, where like the market consolidates in between these two lines. For us to have a complete wedge, as I said before guys, it needs to at least touch twice on the upper trend line and twice on the lower trend line. And as you can see, it did touch here, over here, and over here. We touched over here, over here, and we finally broke and then started selling this currency pair. So let's move on to the technical platform. And yeah guys, if you don't have the technical platform, the link to it is available down by the description for both mobile and for the mobile and the PC, like this one of mine over here. So yeah, okay, over here for me, I've analyzed this before, so like easily gonna get into it, but you guys can also see and how I get to place my trend lines so that you guys can also do the same and be able to trade that. So yeah, that was our, this is our support trend line and our resistance trend line over here. So as you can see, the market start off with an uptrend, which is the highs over here, and from here the market started going down to this level here. We had our lows there. From here we had our higher highs, where it seemed like it was gonna pass through that trend line over here, but when it quickly came back to our supportive trend line there. And from here it went up, back down, up, so it was consolidating there until we finally had our break on the supportive trend line. As I said on the ebook guys, like we for the rising wages, breakout will always be on the supportive trend line. I forgot to mention guys, we are analyzing the Euro USD H4 chart pattern, which started around the 3rd of December till a breakout around the 14th, there around. So yeah guys, there it is. We had our breakout on the supportive trend line, and if we were to trade this, we'd be looking at entering our trade right at this level here, and if we were to place our stop loss, which is 500 points, it's exactly right over here on our support. Okay, oops, actually made a mistake. Yeah, it's right, that's correct there. And we're looking at 700 points, but let's make it 900. This looked 1,000, yeah, for a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So our target would be at this level here. It'd be targeting this level. Okay, and stop loss around here. And let's change that to lime to represent our target. So yeah guys, that's how you get to analyze and trade the rising wedge market. Uptrend over here reaches our maximum highs, starts to consolidate in between our trend lines here, which we just drew, and we had our break on the supportive trend line since it's a rising wedge, and our stop loss 500 points from our entry target 1,000 points. And as we can see, we, even though price almost hit our stop loss, but it never did, and it went directly to our target, which is very key guys. Never place your stop loss too tight, because in most cases like price would reverse and before heading to your target, which is good enough to give it space there so that it can reverse and be able, since this is the forex market, price goes up and down, so if you have enough space there, you'll be able to trade them very much nicely. And yeah guys, let's have another example. Okay, here's one here. Okay, I'm not sure I'm drawing this correct, but something like this. So yeah guys, we have it. Here's another one. Price moves up over here, reaches our highs there, consolidates in between the chart pattern. Remember guys, 2 touches is enough. We have one over here, we have another here, even though on our support we had a couple like 1, 2, 3, 4, and our break over here. So if we were to enter this one here, it's somewhere over here, and from there on we measure like 500 points, 50 pips. Oops, this is a lot. It's a lot of space there. Okay, that's the reason being, it's because we are analyzing the Euro GDP on our H1, which is our 1 hour time frame. That's why we had this huge space for stop loss there. But sticks to your, it's always key to stick to your strategy guys, no matter what. If you trust yourself and your strategy, you'll always win. And here for our target, we'll be aiming 700 points. Around here it will be at this level. Okay, I normally target 700 as my target and then take it to 1,000. So this level, yeah, my target would be exactly around this level here, and change that to red since it's our stop loss. So yeah guys, that's it, and that's how you trade the rising wages. We had the price consolidating in between our trend lines. It breaks there. We place our trade, our sell stop over there with the price after the confirmation breakout, and as we can see, it never even reached our stop loss and continued straight to our target. So yeah guys, they are good trades to take. So yeah, do look into it. Read the ebook over and over again guys, and look for these patterns on your demo accounts, or if you trade in live, do go back to your charts and look for them so that you can be able to master them. The key to mastery in forex is like practicing over and over again, just like the 10-hour rule. If you guys know about the 10-hour rules, if you practice anything for more than 10 hours, you'll be able to be a master at it. So yeah guys, lastly, let me give you the last example over here. This one, we had like our first initial low over here, which is our first touch, and a touch on the resistance level, back to our support there, a touch and a touch on the resistance again, which confirms a complete chart pattern, and in this case it's a complete rising wedge, and we had our break over there. So if we were to trade, it's our entry there, 500 points. Okay, so 500 points around this level. Unfortunately for this one, we would have like hit our our stop loss, but it will all depend on where you place your entry. If your entry is too early, you were gonna like hit a stop loss. So yeah, okay, if we had our entry at this level, stop loss would have been 500 points from there. Let's see where 500 is at this level. 700 is too tight, so we'd be looking at 1,000, which is right here. So let's place our lines. Okay, green as a target price, and that's it guys. That's how easy they are. So yeah, I hope you guys be able to trade this and practice it on your trading platforms, and be able to trade them and make those pips and money for yourselves guys. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and anything else, like comment section guys. If you have any question, do comment on the comment section. Like, subscribe. I'll be posting a lot of more videos. Do subscribe to the channel guys, and like I said, if you need the trading platforms, the link will be available on the description. The ebook information will be also available on the description and by the end of the video. And yeah, I think that will be all guys. Wishing you all the best, and see you on the next video. Bye.